Welcome to the video on the new desktop image backup policy available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3. For many organizations, the desktop image is customized and not easily recreated. In environments with multiple desktop images, recreating images due to corruption or misconfiguration could take a significant effort. Backing up images is an important step in protecting an Azure Virtual Desktop environment. Previous versions of Nerdio Manager for Enterprise had the option to back up an image. This was okay, but not automated. With Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3, we can now schedule recurring backups. If we go to Desktop Images and select our image, we have the option to backup now and a new Manage Backup option. If we select Manage Backup, we can enable recurring backups. We'll select our vault and policy. Now we can create a recurring backup schedule for the image along with retention settings. We can set the frequency to hourly, daily, or weekly, the start time and the time zone, along with the schedule and retention. That is how to enable recurring backups on a desktop image in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3.